Hi everyone, welcome to On the Other Hand. I'm Ariane Zurcher, and today I'm going to be exploring another circle. I would tell you what stitches I'm going to use, but I don't have any idea what stitches I'm going to use. So I'm just going to wing it, and I hope you'll come along with me. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, click on the bell to get email notifications. I love hearing from you, as you know, so leave me comments, questions, thoughts, whatever, in the comment section. Don't forget to look at the description section because I leave links for everything that I use. One more thing. If you haven't done so already, I'd love for you to come along with me as I blog on where art and life meet. And I'm on Instagram at Ariane Zurcher. So grab something to stitch with, grab a needle and some thread, and let's start exploring. I'm going to do a rosette chain stitch in my soft cotton that I've got threaded on a 18 chenille. I did an in-depth video on the rosette chain, so I'm going to post that link in the upper right-hand corner right now. I'm going to keep these fairly small. So there's my rosette chain in my soft cotton. I'm using Silk and Pearl Blood Moon Rising. So I'm just going to do a single thread right now, and then I'll come back around and do a double thread so that this red will show up beneath and above each of these rosettes. I did this on a basque stitch and I was really happy with how it turned out, and I thought, well, I could do this on any stitch that's like that, and it just gives it a little added punch to it. I was thinking that I wanted to go with autumnal colors on this one. I tend to go with the jewel colors, the gemstones, ruby, emerald, sapphire, that kind of thing. But the autumn colors are gorgeous. So now I can just keep going around because I'm going to be going the opposite way. It just happened that it worked that way. And I just pull that down. I'm not pulling it tightly, but I'm not leaving it really loose either. You know how sometimes you can use the threaded and you kind of leave it loose and it creates this whole other, like a little loop. And I'm not doing that. I want this to really, to look the way it is, where it's lying snugly against the other stitches. So that's what it looks like, which I just love how that it kind of pulls this part up and this sort of recedes. I just think it's really pretty the way it looks on both the basque stitch and the rosette chain. It's a nice little added something. I'm going to do a cable chain stitch around the edge. I'm using a number 5. This is EZM 68. Okay, I'm going to stick with it. I'm going to go with my autumnal theme, and I'm going to use this number 5 weight EZM 89. I'm not sure what I'm doing. I just used my 6-spoke easy and drew a chalk line. All of this is in the description section, the links to, not the Bowen because it's no longer made, but what Sue carries, which is the Sew Line Trio, I think it's called. Anyway, I have the link there. For that, I'm going to do a series of pistil stitches emanating from the center. So the pistil stitch, lay your needle on top, twist around, and then you're going to anchor your thread. I'm not going right into the center. I'm going really close to the center. And I'm ending my pistil stitch right at the chain, the cable chain stitch. I like to anchor that with my thumb so that it doesn't go anywhere. Maybe I use my number 8 and do a little Bullion rose in the middle. So remember with the Bullion rose, I did an in-depth video, so if you need a reminder, just go there and check that out. But you start with 2 parallel tiny little lines. I'm using my number 5, the same weight that I did in color that I used for my pistil stitches. And I'm going to do my second little line, little Bullion, right next to it. And then I'm going to anchor that. By the way, look at these scissors. Are these fabulous? My friend Pat sent these to me, and I just love them. Aren't they fabulous? All right, so I'm going to go ahead with my number 8 weight, EZM 90. I'm using a number 3. I'm using a number 3 Milner's. I'm going to do a little Bullion rose. Not sure how this is going to look because I used the number 5 weight, and now I'm using a number 8, but we'll see. So I go around, I go about 1/3 of the way, and I think 12 wraps should be enough. And then I anchor that down. I go up to here, about 1/3 of the way. Could have done 16 maybe, but that's okay. And now I'm going to tuck him in under this one. So right here, and I'm just going to do one more round. And then I'm going to come around to here. My little ode to autumn circle with my soft cotton, and then I did my silken pearl that I threaded in and out of my Rosette chain. Then I did a cable chain in my Eleganza number 5 weight. And then in the 5 weight, I did my pistil stitch. I did the center of the rose, and then in a number 8 weight, I did my little Bullion rose. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing this process with its fits and starts unfold. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Click on the bell for email notifications, and I love hearing from you. So leave me any comments or questions you might have in the comments section. Don't forget to check out the description section where I leave hot links to all of these threads and everything that I use, including Sue Spargo Spoke Easy and the chalk pencil, so that you can click on that link and go directly to the item. Until next time, here's to exploring together.